Welcome back to Lonely Rider's channel. Today I'm going to show you how to bypass the STV system on a 2007 or 2008 GSX-R1000. Lonely Rider is not a professional mechanic and is not responsible for any personal injury or vehicle damage that may result from individuals attempting the repair shown in this video. You have been warned. Try at your own risk. Now, unlike the 03 Z1000 where it's pretty easy just to trick the computer into leaving the STV open, it's not that easy on the Gixxer. In order to bypass the STV on the Gixxer, you are going to need one of these. It pretty much have to have it, because if you just unhook the STV stepper motor, it's going to give you the FI light and put the bike into safe mode, or as people call it online, limp mode, which will restrict the bike heavily. So you need to buy one of these from HealTech, and yes, unfortunately, it is expensive. For the 07 and 08 model GSX-R1000, you're going to need the STVE-10 model to fit this bike. Now, the good news is that installing this is very, very easy. You just lift up the gas tank and the stepper motor is right here. The connectors you need are literally right there, and you can see the resemblance. So you just unhook both of those, hook both of those in there, and voila, you've bypassed the stepper motor. Now plug in the unit. Now just use the included zip ties to kind of zip tie it down and out of the way and keep everything nice and neat. Now you can't just bypass the STV and go for a ride. You're not going to go anywhere because the butterflies are still closed inside the throttle body. In order to open those up, this bolt right here is connected to the shaft that the butterflies rotate on. So all you have to do to open up the butterflies is spin it up like that. So again, this is all the way closed, okay? That's closed. This is all the way open. So all you gotta do is flip them open and then like get a zip tie or something, zip tie this or secure it in some way that it won't go closed on you while you're riding, because that would be very, very bad. So open them up all the way and secure it somehow. And that's it. With those couple of steps, you've bypassed the STV system on the GSX-R1000. But keep in mind, if you do that, B and C mode are pretty much not going to function, because the drive mode selection system uses the STV primarily to hold back the throttle response in B and C mode. So obviously if you override that, B and C mode are not going to function properly. So when you do this, the bike is pretty much going to be stuck in A mode all the time. Oh, how terrible. And that's it for this episode. Catch you guys later.